Guys, this is Teresa here. I just received my parcel from Globox. I'm just going to open this and show you what I have put in my Globox. That is 5 full products, and one of them that would be a sample. Okay, so I have just cut this. So let me open and check it out and show you guys what is it in. This is the this thing inside the courier plastic. I have got this box inside, so attractive it is. I'm just going to open it. Okay, lovely. Okay, this is the box inside the thing. Let me check. Nice sticker it is. Okay, there's a letter. Hey gorgeous, thank you for shopping with us. Hope you had a fabulous shopping experience and enjoy your beauty treats. We cherish helping you find the best in beauty. Okay, I couldn't understand the handwriting. That is Love Team Globox. Lovely. Then there is Share the Love. Okay. Then, okay, 20% off coupon. Wow, great. Then there's a refer and earn system, 10% discount on referral. And then there's a big, huge list which I have ordered, and that is the total cost, actual cost of the product, worth rupees 3695, and saving is 2796. So I have ordered over here is one lipstick trio, and then one second, you cannot see that. Then there's a eyeshadow palette, Freedom Pro Kajal Duo. Then that is Greenberry Organic 12-in-1 hair oil. Then one Lux Bronze and Cut Contour. Okay, the first product is, which I've taken in my hand, is 12-in-1 hair tonic. Then it's the eyeliner pro, and then lovely, these are all packed. I have to check it out, I have to open up.